Accidentally, somebody took my carry-on that looked similar to the other carry-on that was left there. The only valuable thing was my passport.
Oh, of course, my sisters, naging worried talaga sila. Ayan. Nawala yung mga gutom. They were so worried, they were just shaking. But... Busy yung isa dyan, oh. So, mga 5:45 na, guys. Tapos, for packing. Tapos, tadaanan lang namin yung mga kapatid namin sa kabilang room. Kasi, pupunta kami. Where are we going, my love? Where are we going?
We're going to Dumaguete for 1 day and then Siquijor for 3 days with your sisters.
Actually, 3 days kaming nagstay dito sa Makati. Hindi ko na na-vlog yung mga ganap namin ng mga ate ko kasi ako nasa work, tapos sila lang yung pinasyal ni Jan ng kahapon na masyal sila, pumunta sila sa Venice Canal. Pumunta sila sa Intramuros. Yun, nainggit ako kasi gustong-gusto kong pumunta talaga doon sa Intramuros. Hindi siya talaga nangyari kasi kailangan kong pumasok sa work. Yan. Binili ko lang doon sa Ukay-Ukay kahapon. Ang ganda. Pwede ko tong pang beach. Okay, so I think everything's ready. Okay, ito yung aking luggage. Iwan pa kaming food sa rep.
Oh, I got it. No, that's fine. Do that. Okay.
Let's go! Daanan na natin yung mga ate ko.
Hello!
Tara na! Ready na ba ang lahat?
Good morning! Hello, kami nag-ready.
Mga traveler, oh.
The travelers.
Okay.
Oh, you switch? You switch the suitcase?
Yeah.
Mana, G.
G man na. G. Gantalaw.
Gamay, kita gamay.
G for Canada. Rock and roll. Look at these rock stars. Look at these rock stars. Where are they going? Where are the province girls? Let's go over. Pasaya Gada.
Pasayawa. What?
This one's also in the trouser?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Good boys, yeah?
Thank you, sir.
What's she waiting for?
The seat.
Different color of seats or?
You go na.
Okay, go. Hi, boss.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
How are you?
Ay.
Gamay na ako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They run away from their husbands. for a few days, that's it.
The runaway sisters.
The runaway sisters. Get away, run away. The rock stars. They're
Rock stars, run away.
Run away, get away.
Wow, no traffic today because it's too early.
We're gonna be there. We're gonna be there before 6:30.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. I like it. It's okay. We take our time. It's okay.
So we're already here in Dumaguete Airport, but there's something happened, right?
Manila taxi.
Yeah. Accidentally, somebody took my carry-on that looks similar to the other carry-on that was left there. The only valuable thing was my passport, and the second valuable thing was just chargers, my speaker, and my what do you call it, the battery pack and the key to open this luggage. Things like that. But it worked out.
Passport,
Yeah. And underwear. Now I have underwear now. I have clean underwear.
The thing is that the other man who took his bag, he came back.
Right away.
Right away.
Right away he came back. But you did good. You did good. You went straight. You did good.
So ginawa ko, pumunta ka agad ako sa counter, chinek ko lahat kung ano mga dapat namang gawin kasi pinaiwan kasi yung bag na isa doon sa doon pa lang sa loob ng ng airplane, pinaiwanan na ng staff or ng stewardess para matawagan nila or makontak nila yung nakaiwan kasi hindi na pinabitbit sa amin. So nag-worried talaga kami lahat kasi we were shaking. Of course my sisters, naging worried talaga sila. Ayan. Nawala yung mga gutom. We were so worried, we were just shaking. But now yun, nakahinga na ng malalim because finally we got this bag na and
we're going to the hotel.
Yeah, we're going to the hotel na.
Free of charge.
Kasi meron silang free service.
I need to take a shower.
Pinick up nila kami dito sa hotel. So, ayun. So, ang daming promotion kanina. Tinulungan kami ng mga police, ng mga staff dito sa airport lahat. So, thank you for being for helping us and for being so hospitable. Yeah, so thank you. So ayun, may kaunting drama lang ng travel namin. Hindi na unexpected naman siya. Hindi naman talaga hindi naman natin talaga makontrol yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Hindi natin maiwasan. So nagkataon na nangyari sa amin. So worried talaga ako. So anyways guys, thank you. Update naman kami pagdating namin dun sa hotel. So thank you for watching. Go na.
Come here, Jay.